Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration and the absolute value. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to graph the function 3x minus number 6. So the graph should be like this. So because we just consider about the integration from 0 to number 5. So we know that when s equals to number 2, we put number 2 cone here. So we have number 6 minus number 6, you got number 0 in here. Now, because we have the absolute value, this line on the negative in here, they will reflect on x-axis. So they will go in here. So this one that is about positive, but this one we have the negative. So in this situation, if we want to create about the positive area in here, so we put the negative next to the integration from 0 to number 2. That's it, from this location in here. And later that they will change the negative value into the positive value. And this is about 3x minus number 6. Because from number 2 to number 5, that is about positive. So this one we just put the positive sign here. Now we have the final answer. The integration of s, we have s squared over number 2. Number 6, that is about 6x. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 2. Similar for the second one. Now I will put number 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. Similar for the second one. So we calculate this one and we have negative number 6. The next one we have, this is negative, sorry, I made a mistake. So we calculate this one and we have 27 over number 2. Now we combine and we have 39 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.